All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about statistics or stats on your images. So let's go to Open, and let's open up Kitten Report. And I'm going to do File, we're going to do Scripts, and we're going to do Stats, Image Stats. So we can choose the stack mode. So I'm going to show you the different options here. So you can do Mean, Summatation, Minimum, Maximum, Medium, Variance, Standard Deviation, Skewness, Kurtos, Range, and Entropy. All right, so we'll just do Summaton. Apologize for butchering these words. And we're going to use a folder instead of just files. So let's do Browse, and we're going to go to Desktop, and we'll select Kittens, hit OK, and then I'm going to add Open Files. Actually, no, I just want to hit OK. And then it's going to run the process. Okay, so are you sure you want to convert colors to a destination document with a color profile that does not match the current RGB working space? Yes, I do. I'm going to hit OK. Yes, hit OK. Okay, there you go. So it just ran a script and did all this funky stuff to it. And that's what summatation looks like when we stack. All right, so I'm going to close that. Then let's do another one. Let's do scripts and let's do stats again. And instead of that one, we'll do mean. And we'll do browse. We're going to just do files this time. So I'll highlight this first one here, hold Control, and click on Kitten Report. I'm just going to do 2 of them, hit OK. And there you go. So this is this is the stack mode mean. That looks pretty cool. Okay, so I'll hit no because we're going to close that one, and we'll do one more. So let's go back to stats here, and let's just do skewness. We'll just be random. Select the blog Foster Myth, and then Kit Report 1, hit OK. I'm going to hit OK there. Whoa, that's kind of cool. So there you go. That's how you work with stats or statistics and run little stacks. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.